This is an old snapping turtle.
Oh, Lord, she had just enough. But we got that patio furniture. We got that patio furniture out back.
Uh-huh.
And she was sitting there at the patio furniture eating her cantaloupe and lasagna. She caught the turtle and put it up on the table and it caught in her plate and hit her face.
I'm trying to give him a cracker.
Don't get over next to it, honey.
Take it, stick it, push it over. I want to see him chomp it down.
I seen it a while ago go out that far striking.
Yeah, but he took the bark right off that stick.
Yeah. But I mean, look at the claw on that. You can see it's big good right there. Look at that foot.
He's got his tail turned in.
But the stub up there next to it, the white thing's 3 or 4 inches.
Push his tail around, see what he does.
I don't want to keep messing with it and
aggravating
it. It's scared enough.
Yeah, he probably is. I just want to.
Tight as can be, honey.
Oh boy.
Hey, now, did you see that?
I did.
I mean, you're going to jump on each other.
He's going to take off running.
I don't want to aggravate it.
Well, I got to go. I got that little boy I take care of in the van.
Okay, what you know scared me for this little girl that plays a lot, and they just left, and I hadn't seen it then. So it's kind of like,
Hey, buddy. Get your cracker.
Y'all don't come over. You stay in that walk on there. I ain't letting my food around.
no, that's why I'm going to say, because that